Hey everyone, want to make your AI art that goes viral? Today, let me show you how to use the Playground AI's template to create stunning artwork in seconds. Let's get started. First, open the playgroundai.com and log in. And once you're in, click on Templates at the top menu. Then here you're going to explore the trending templates. You'll find a viral aesthetic edits, album covers, posters, profile pictures, wallpapers, and more. These templates are already styled to match popular trends. And here you can pick a template. Choose a template that fits your idea. Then click on it to load the template into your editor. Then here in the prompt box, change the subject or theme to fit your creative idea. Then, after typing your prompt or editing it, click Generate and watch the magic happen. You can keep tweaking the prompt, change the art style, and use in painting tool to refine details. And once you're happy with the result, hit download or export or share it directly on your socials. Viral worthy in just minutes. With Playground AI templates, you don't need to be prompt genius to create a viral art. Just pick, prompt, and post. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.